All right, ladies and gentlemen, in today's video, we are going to be reviewing the truly organic sheet set available at Costco. I picked this up right before Christmas of 2025. It is now currently middle of February 2026. Great price on them. I don't remember what I paid, but it was very reasonable. I think it was somewhere in the ballpark of like $35. It was like maximum 40 bucks or something like that. Forgive me for not remembering, but it was a great deal and I jumped on it. They had a couple different colors. They had white. I do have white already. This actually has a really nice pattern to it. This will show you a little bit better. As you can see here, I got the queen size. This is 100% Turkish organic cotton. This is certified non-GMO, satin weaves, natural sustainable dyes, deep fitted sheet, one flat, one fitted, 4 pillowcases. I have 2 pillowcases right here. I only put 2 on at the moment. Comes with this little drawstring bag if you want to keep that for some oddball reason. So I got the flat sheet, 2 pillowcases, and the fitted sheet, and my mattress is super deep, and as you can see, that goes all the way down. That's probably, I think it's 12 inches. I think it's 12 inches. Super deep, is able to wrap around just beautifully, perfectly fine on my queen size mattress. Let's go ahead and kick you on, and we all want to double check. I looked at some of the tags already, and as you can see right there, 100% organic cotton right there. Now it says it's Turkish cotton. This says it's made in India, but we'll have to take their word for it that it is Turkish cotton unless it says it right through here. Machine wash warm, delicate, blah, 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 blah. Nope, doesn't say it right there either. So we're going to have to take their word for it that it is. Well, I mean, you're going to have to take your word for it anyway. How do we really know? Unless it's on the tag, unless, you know, Costco vets them. So anywho, first impressions, very soft and nice. Typically, you're like, Chris, that's disgusting. Why aren't you washing them before putting them on the bed? To be honest with you, I love fresh sheet night. I want to feel the sheets on my skin before I wash them. I want to feel that texture. You're like, Chris, what about the dyes? What about, you know, it's straight from the factory? You know what? I'm going to take that risk for a few nights. I love brand new sheets and the feel on my skin. I typically use castor oil. I'm not going to use any castor oil tonight. I want to feel these sheets on my skin. Just in my boxers, having a good old time. It is super late. It is time for bed. I'm staying up way too late tonight, unfortunately. Got home late, so I'm going to crawl into these beautiful sheets. Again, they come in many different colors, and I'll give you my honest feedback review after, give me 2-3 days. I'll let you know how they feel. Obviously, more long-term, many washes, that's a different story. But for the price, available at Costco, 100% organic, that's why I jumped on them. All right, and I need to put my comforter on, but I do want to mention this also. So the fitted sheet says short side or end, or, you know, whatever the side is, that is the shorter side. So, you know, I mean, goodness gracious, you know how many times I've done that? I've stretched it out. I'm like, oh, wrong side. So it is labeled top or short side or whatever. So it's really easy to put on without having to guess what is what. All right, ladies and gentlemen, Costco sheets. Did we do 3 nights or 2 nights? Regardless, incredible. Soft, comfortable. I did start using castor oil. Yeah, I think I've done 3 nights. So I did castor oil, and castor oil, you know, you just got to be a little careful. If you really care about your sheets, you're going to have to wash them. But what castor oil does is, see, it's a little bit kind of like oily, and then that pillowcase is beautiful. So just understand if you don't want a little bit of oil. So I put it on my hands because my hands are so dry here in Colorado. And as you can see here, I tuck my hand underneath my head. So it's a little bit oily right here. And then my face right here. I try to have it absorb a little quicker, but you know, castor oil, it's just, I'll take a little bit of oil on sheets for the benefits of castor oil. Long story short, my face and skin look great except for my hands because it's so stinking dry here coming from California with all the moisture. And then, but you know what though? Beef tallow fat has actually done a better job than castor oil. So I try to do beef tallow fat in the daytime, and I might switch for my hands for more moisture. Other than that, fine lines. Oh, castor oil is great. Anyway, let's get back to the Costco review for the sheets. Love them. Are they super high quality, like 5,000 million thread count? No, but 100% organic cotton from Costco. Great deal. I should have got a few more sets. I haven't been to Costco in a while. I think I bought these, was it when I was in Texas for the Waco surf wave pool down in closer to Austin. There's a Georgetown, Texas. I picked these up at. Some Costcos have different items. California, air chilled organic chicken, organic almonds. I text my mom here in Colorado. She's like, no, we don't have organic almonds, like whole almonds. We only have the organic almond butter. California didn't have the organic almond butter. I was like, what's going on? But good news, California, the ones that I went to, the Costco's I went to there, which I think was only one Costco, maybe two Costco's, they have the air chilled organic chicken. It got a lot of flack recently in social media for chlorine, bath or anyway, air chilled's the best. Costco offers it. Check it out. Back to the sheets. That was a tangent. Great sheets, highly recommended. Before I do let you go, I am making my bed, but this olive tree was from Costco as well. Let me just show you that to you real quickly. I have a full review on the channel already regarding this olive tree. I absolutely love it. I actually bought 2 more. You can pick it up for a great deal like Black Friday. That's what I did for all 3 of them, 2 different years in a row, but love that tree. It looks absolutely beautiful. In the corner of my room, I do need to, of course, make my bed, and then out here in the country, out here in Colorado, looking real good. All right, let's make our bed because we got to work. Links are below.